इतले रेडी दवरलेलो मरे हें आतां लास्ट मिनिट ओपन केला
exam
और क्यों ओपन हो गया?
ऊपर there only, correct? You're right, top of it.
What you need to do is set the tester for whatever you are going to test
Set
correctly,
reference.
okay? No, first the parameters, what you're testing. What are you actually testing, okay? So here we are going to test MPTL. We had Cat6a cable, FUTP, correct? Cat6a MPTL testing we're going to do, okay? Modular plug termination link testing we're going to do, because this is a for a CCA for your PoE device which you're going to connect, okay? So you do all that, save, select all that and say save and say use selected. First thing what you're supposed to do after doing all this setting, correct. You got a channel, you got a permanent link adapter one side, channel link other side. At tools, set reference. Test. Set reference done. Okay, say done. Home. Now you put your cables. Patch panel end, this is the patch panel end, correct? This is your permanent link and this is your pigtail to the consolidation point and pigtail, okay? You connect permanent link to one side. That is connected. Once you get the connectivity, you'll get that noise, okay? So now we can test. I'll just save this report. Can you all read this? What does it say?
The adapter on the remote tester is not compatible.
So you understand what the problem is? What testing we are going to do? What testing? MPTL testing. For MPTL testing, what do you need? One end permanent link adapter. Other end
The patch cord.
patch cord adapter. Correct. Because you put a channel adapter there, it is giving you that error. Okay. So make sure that whatever settings you are doing, what testing, for example, you might say channel testing, channel test you want to do, but both sides you put permanent link adapter. Same error will come, saying the adapters are not compatible. So you have to be very careful what you select and what you have connected and what you're testing. Okay. So one side has to be permanent link adapter and the other side has to be a patch cord adapter, and it has to be Cat6a. If you're doing Cat6a only, it should be. If you're doing Cat6, you should have a Cat6 adapter. Okay. Say okay. Now test. Now it is testing because it's correct. Your wire map itself is failed. Oh, all the pairs as one side is crossed, and there's a short also. On the main side, there's a short. That's here. There is a short happening with the sheet. So we'll just say continue. Forgetting about the wire map. Let's see the parameters. What it comes. Blue is gone to white. White is gone to blue for all the 4 pairs. Yeah. So insertion length fine. Everything will fail because it's a.
Yeah, everything will fail.
But see, you can actually make out with the pairs according to pairs. There's one pair that has gone over the borderline, others 3 pairs are okay. Moat and main, both sides.
This one.
CCA.
No. This one.
All is ulta.
All is ulta. So this side you did A and this side that side you did B.
No.
Not
It's only the pairs are.
Okay.
Like one side, instead of putting the white, they put the blue. Instead of putting the green, they put the white.
Oh.
So all thing plus at the remote end.
Who
there's a
terminated
short.
this?
Samsung. Samsung.
Nokia is saying Samsung had terminated. Samsung.
report again ground
At the this end. This end means
this
here,
one.
there, yes.
That's it. Check the pairs.
See.